Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So today we are gonna do a fun little project. I got a bunch of these from the Dollar Tree and I need to change out my mailbox because it is leaking horribly. So we are gonna do a fun little project using these and our mailbox. So come on along. All right, friends, so here is our mailbox and it's rusty. It's leaking horribly. Anytime it's raining, our mail comes. We have to run out here and get it quick because if we don't, it's sopping wet. So we need to go ahead and change this out. And I really would love to decorate this area because it's literally right in front of the house. There's a house, here is our mailbox. Our bridge is right here, and I would just love to make this area look super, super cute. I'm gonna be using those planters to really add some cute effects up here in front of the house. So I told hubby my idea and what I kind of want it to look like, and I'm gonna leave it to the mastermind to fix it for me and to get it going. So we're gonna go meet him in the garage and see what he thinks. All right, friends, so we're gonna go ahead and put this T-post in because this is what we're gonna be attaching the new mailbox to. The mail lady who comes by, she says this is kind of too far away for her to put the mail in, so I'm gonna bring it a lot closer, be easier for her. Plus, it'll be easy for us to do what I want to do with those planters. It's hard work drilling those things in. All right, friends, so now I need to drill holes in the middle part of this planter. To do that, I've got this circular one that I'm going to use to drill out the holes, and that way I can place them inside the T-post and hold them together. So you do want to be careful when you're doing this part and only do a couple at a time and go slow. Don't press too hard on it because it will crack your pots. So just do a couple at a time and then just keep going. All right, so now that I have the centers drilled out, I'm gonna go ahead and do the three small ones that are inside each of these cups, and that's gonna be the drainage for your pots. So I'm just gonna use a screwdriver and I'm gonna go ahead and pop those out. From the inside, I'll be poking them through. All right, friends, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put these perfectly through our T-post here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set our design and see exactly how many of these planters we need to fill up this T-post right here. All right, I think that about does it. I've got 8 of these pots that fits right here, and I still have to attach the mailbox. So I'm leaving some space. We're gonna check and see where we're gonna be putting the mailbox. If I have more room, I'll put that other one on. But right now, 9 works good. And this was a 5-foot T-post, so it's one of the shorter T-posts. All right, friends, so I've got the mailbox here. We went ahead and put a wooden plank at the bottom of it and drilled into it so that way it's nice and sturdy. And now we've got some self-tacking screws that we're going to go ahead and use to attach an L bracket. We've got this L bracket that we went ahead and attached to the mailbox, and that is what we're going to use to attach to the T-post. So let's go ahead and attach it and see how it works. All right, friends, so we've got it up. It looks cute. It's not centered, but oh well, there's gonna be a bunch of flowers growing up around it, and I'll make sure, like on this side, go ahead and get bigger flowers that come up over this way so you can't really tell the difference. But I think it's gonna look really cute once I get some flowers in there. All right, friends, so something else that I got for these planters are these little cups. These will go inside of each of those 3 sections. That way I can take these out and change out my flowers throughout the season. So springtime, I want to have pink in there and yellow and really bright springy colors. And then come summer, I'll put some summer colors in there. and then fall I'll definitely change it out and put those fall colors in there. So I'm definitely going to be having a bunch of these in there as well, so that I can go ahead and plant my own flowers and transplant them in there. Alright friends, so after a quick calculation, our DIY mailbox cost me a total of $13.75. The little planters are $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and then the little plant cups that I'm going to stick in each of those, it comes in a pack of 6 for $1.25. Not a bad deal if you ask me. And come spring, once I actually have flowers to put in here, it will look really cute. And I will bring y'all back and show you how it looks when it's fully planted with flowers. There are no flowers right now in town, so I can't put any flowers in there. But these sell out super fast, and I wanted them last year. They were sold out by the time I went and tried to get some. I actually found those ones in town and I bought all of them that they had left. But I went online and I found that online you can buy a 3-pack of them for $1.25. So it is even cheaper if you go that route. But they do sell out very fast. So go online to Dollar Tree and pick some up if that's what you want to do. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this DIY planter mailbox. Drop down in the comments and let me know if you do anything cute with your mailboxes. Until next time friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.